Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data Watch channel. Today I am here with a new video in Numpy tutorial series, that is another 5 set of Numpy array manipulation, into which we are going to see flattening of array, changing data type, then finding element with the help of index. After that, reversing an array element wise operation. These all 5 types of manipulations we are going to watch into this particular video. So let's get started with the video. Very first, we are having flattening of array. This flattening of array can be done with two methods, dot reveal and dot flatten. Both do the same thing. That means it will convert your multi-dimensional array to single dimensional array. That's only called as flattening of array. So let's try it out. So we will copy it first, put it into our VS Code. Over here, what we will do, we will just first comment it out and we'll try it with dot reveal first. So what it is going to be, it should convert this two dimensional, because we can clearly see that this particular array is 2 cross 2 matrix, right, which will be converted into the single dimensional. So here we can see 1 2 3 and 4, which is the single dimensional array of this 2 cross 2 matrix, correct. Now we are having the flatten. We will also see how this flatten works. So nothing to do, we will just uncomment it and we can see dot flatten is the method which will be used to convert it into the single dimensional array. So you can see it has been converted to the single dimensional. That's it. After that, we are having another manipulation technique, that is changing the data type. Now changing the data type is how we can change the data type. What we need to do, we need to use dot as type method, which will be expecting a parameter into which the data type, that means the whatever array we want to change, the data type into which we want to change that existing array, that particular data type we need to put it over here. So over here we can see that this 123 is the integer data type. If we want to convert it to float, we will just put the parameter as float. Now what we will do, we will just copy it and we'll see if it is doing the same. We are creating the array first, then using dot as type as float, and then we'll just copy it as this we will just see what this array is containing. So you can see that dot is started appearing over here, which means that it has been converted to float. The next one we are having into the list is finding the array on the help of index. So we will be finding, in this particular scenario, what we are doing, we are creating an array with this particular first line, and then another line, what we are doing, we are just using dot where method. And this particular dot where method is the very frequently used thing into your whole NumPy series, because what happens that this particular operation you will be using multiple times. So just take a look at it. Dot where will use to just filter out on the basis of index. So what it will do, array greater than 3, so whatever values greater than 3 is there, it should filter out that particular one. So find indexes where values are greater than 3. That's only the uses what it is doing it right. So what we will do, we'll just put it over here and then indices paste over here. Let's try it out. So you can see it is pulling out 3 and 4, which tells that it's finding the indices where value are greater than 3. Okay, so this is how we can use this dot where method. Fine. After that, we are having another technique, that is reversing an array, and this is also a very common operation anybody do. So into which we are just using the method dot flip, and this dot flip will be expecting the array which is to be flipped, and that's it, it will be flipping your array, in the array will be reversed. After that, at last, we are having array element wise operation. So into which what we can see that we can have element wise operation. In last video we have seen that element wise operation. Over here I will show you just, yeah. So append array and then add dot add, somewhere we have used into the last few video, yeah, this one. Here also with this way also we can use element wise operation. That means we are using the operator in between of the two arrays. And over here what we are going to, we are using .exp, which will be calculating the exponent of the, for this the value which is present into the this particular array. So just copy it and we'll see what it is giving as the result. So you can see that it has given the exponential form of 1, 2 and 3. So that was pretty much about today's video, into which we have seen these 5 types of manipulation techniques. Definitely if there is something left, I will be coming up with some other video into which I will be showing you other manipulation techniques. So stay tuned to the channel till then. Thank you so much guys for watching out the whole video. See you in the next one with some other topic. Thanks again.